baby. Let me let you breathe. Oh, wow. I'm lifting the bird netting off that I've used to protect the caterpillars. And now that he is free, I want to set him free but protect the other one, so I'm going to put the netting back once he flies away. How are you, sweetheart? Are you still working on something? Are you still working on something? Hi, sweetheart. It's muggy out here because it's raining. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, aren't you beautiful? There's your empty chrysalis. And there you are. Oh, such a beauty. Such a beauty. Oh, such a beauty. Let me lift the netting so you can fly out.